Yeah, this is important. This is how bloggers do it. What they do is they record everything and then don't even edit the video, and if they do, they leave way too much in it. I'm going to cut this down like a ton because I don't care. We're not doing the, welcome to Hager Garage. We're gonna work on this, but first you're gonna watch 20 minutes of us going food shopping and Harbor Freight. Yeehaw!
I mean, but we did that. Like, we did that. We could have put that on camera.
Oh yeah, we went
just to tell everyone.
Yeah, we went to Harbor Freight.
By the way, like, we went to Harbor Freight and spent like 20, 30 minutes, and we could have put that on film, but we decided that you.
Because it's useless and no one gives a crap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you guys go to the store too, so well, you know how it goes.
Okay.
Testing. Are we even fucking recording?
Yeah. Okay, so we just tried to record a video. Didn't work because stupid camera's being stupid. Anyway, unbox his cylinder heads because DJ blew his engine up. Passenger or driver's side head had a 2-inch crack between the intake valve and intake runner and the water jacket. So, shot peened some metal down in the cylinder. It looks good on the cylinder walls. Whatever, that's fine. We're gonna have to shave down some of the piston, but yeah, engine's not in there anymore. So these heads are $350 shipped on eBay from Machine Shop Pros. And we're gonna see what the quality of them are because they should be remanned. Okay. They have a 7-year unlimited mile warranty, so we're gonna take advantage of that. The only caveat is there's this little. There's supposed to be a little metal button on the side of it that makes sure you don't overheat the engine. So if you overheat the head, the warranty is invalid. So we're going to check this shenanigans out. Whoa, it's already painted. That's pretty baller.
Yeah, well done. Exciting.
Yeah, well, I know.
But yes,
we were much more excited the first time.
Yes, it is powder coated. That's badass. The one thing I noticed while looking at it is that this is shittily powder coated. And kind of looks like trash. It looks honestly like my spray paint work over there. Like, to be completely honest. But, that's whatever. That'll all burn off.
Well, on this side, because this is the intake, so... I mean, you can't even see it anymore because you have intake plenum on it.
But
well, how those look?
That looks really nice.
Flip it over. I can see it's got the... I think Viton valve seals in it.
Yeah.
What in the world? Okay. There's one stainless steel exhaust valve, and the rest of them aren't. That's weird.
That's awkward.
Yes. Huh. That's not gonna do anything, but.
It's just awkward.
Yeah, that's just awkward.
I guess we'll have to see if the other ones like it. Like if it does the same, if it has the same thing, or if it's.
That thing is machined,
all stainless,
though.
But yeah, it is machined. It's flat. We'd have to check how flat it is with your.
Why would they put one stainless steel valve in it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's weird. Whoever put this together is apparently not paying too much attention.
No, whole lot of attention.
I mean, that would be cool if they're all stainless steel and. Whatever. Ready for boost.
Right.
So
at least I got one.
The intake valves look fine. They seem to be all. The only thing that doesn't look seated is maybe this exhaust. If I can focus on it, it's not. It's kind of off the lip there, but that's kind of how they were from the factory anyway. There's no cracks between the valves, from what I can tell. That's pretty cool. All right, so I guess we can unbox this other one here.
Yeah, set that on the stairs.
Well, how do those look? Because it's got new valve seals in it. These springs look either really clean or new. They machine the top of the valve off, I assume, to make them all equal. They're all protruding about the same. The retainers, the retainers are old used ones, but they're cleaned. that's whatever. But those are nice looking valve seals in there though. I can see it's got a ring around the top to keep it from dripping down too far in there. Baller. But it's not bad for 350. For 2 heads shipped, assembled. Besides the rockers, but whatever. Then I'm gonna unbox this sucker. I guess while we're waiting, let me charge some of my other stupid batteries that are useless. Now I do know these look like they're Chrysler just remanaged because they do have the Chrysler little stamp on them.
Yeah.
Unless that's not really indication anymore, as if it's genuine. What's strange though is that on this cylinder head, the one you had before, the Chrysler mark is smaller and not closer to the front of the engine. Maybe it's the front. So that's strange. Well, they do have different casting numbers too. This one says 5300 on the original one, and then the new one says 5302. So this might be a newer cylinder head off like a 2004 359. So hopefully Chrysler did some cool tiny improvements in the meantime, so you technically would have better heads on your truck.
Yeah.
eBay heads. All ready for the double excitement like we had before.
The double excitement. Look at all this.
Oh yeah, look, they packed it with. There's a lot more in that
A
one.
lot more than the other one, actually. Jeez.
There's like duct tape.
Duct tape on it. Oh, duct tape. That's awesome.
All right, doing this one foot at a time. Go. All right, getting it. Oh yeah, check that out, bro. Do it with your feet.
Alright. See what we got. Alrighty, kind of looks.
The better painted than the other one.
Oh, it's just slightly different. I don't know.
That's the same casting. So apparently these are off the same truck, or whatever, van, anything. Probably a Dakota, if anything.
Paint quality's about the same on that. It must just be standard to do shit on this side.
Mm-hmm.
So.
It's weird all the runners have paint in them too.
And
oh look,
do not have an aluminum one on this
or
one.
stainless steel.
Or stainless steel. What is that though? That right there.
What's
is that?
Oh. Hold on. Get it. Focus, you piece of junk. Jesus Christ. Anyway, right here, looks like there's some assembly lube with oil or metal shavings in it. So, I suggest we probably take that valve out, clean that one out, and put it back together. This one is machined to like a mirror finish though. That stainless steel exhaust valve is pretty funny though.
Yeah, why this stainless steel exhaust valve? We gotta ask people if that, if, you know. Oh, that's weird. Definitely need to tell them that, I don't know.
See, the only way I can even think that happened is that at some point someone sent in a set of heads that were worked like good, and they just took it apart and just threw it into the parts bin.
Yeah. Looks
What
like
is
some
this?
quality. What?
I've never seen
It's the lip of the.
I've never seen a lip of a spring
the
before.
Spring. It's right there and there. You can see some of these.
Huh. One thing we need to do is take a piece of like a rubber mallet. I don't know if I have one, but softly hit these on the top to reseat them to make sure they're all seated. They don't look too bad though. That one with the machine crap.
Yeah, that one's
sketchy.
Yeah, a little sketchy, but you know, we'll take it out, we'll clean it out, we'll see what it looks like on the other side. See if there's anything we can genuinely see. Now we gotta take the shit off the old heads.
Real quick, before we do anything, grab your headers and see if these bolts line up. Because that would just be amazing if they didn't, wouldn't it? I don't want to deal with that. I mean, it should. Do it now before we go, mother. And then need to go buy some. Yeah, flip it.
What? No, turbo.
Oh. You line up?
I'd say so. Yeah. Yeah.
Look good.
Yeah.
Baller.
So I see why people cut the center out. It's just because it's in the fucking way, dude.
Yeah.
Well, they say because it's flexibility, because you'd be able to pull this closer. To
You know, based on the design of these heads, you know, there's no way you could actually take these off without removing the header. No way. It's not straight. Oh, I'm sure the headers are not straight.
Yeah.
But
Hopefully the gasket will,
yeah.
and some gasket, we'll put some gasket stuff in there, that black stuff. Yeah.
Oh, the gasket you have is already 8.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's
those
pretty
gaskets
thick.
were fucking
Yeah,
thick.
they're
They were
thick.
bossy.
And they're sticky.
Yeah, this should do fine.
Thing is, what we got to do is.
You guys can't see that on the camera. That's